Alright, hey guys, it's Fisk1. I'm going to be, this is a new account I'm making, and this is going to be my first video here. It's going to be an unboxing of this, new Brother QL700, Brother QL700 thermal label printer. Unboxing. Alright, so I just got this at Staples for, 50% off. Normally priced at $100, but it's $50 today and until tomorrow. I don't remember how long it was, but I just got it for 50 bucks. Here's some proof. Never mind. Drop that receipt. Alright, so from the box it looks pretty nice. You can print postage if you get the right labels. 93 labels per minute it says. We'll figure that out. Comes with software that you can install. Many different label types here. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. Alright. First here, what is this? Tons of stuff. We got a book of labels of what they have. All the different label types they've got available for this model. Huh, that's pretty cool. Alright. We got install disk, drivers, and documentation. It says applications, drivers, and documentation. Oh, and this install disk, this program works with both Mac and Windows, so you can use either. Little flyer about UPS approved. Postage right from your desktop. Alright. Throw that over here. Probably throw that away, I'm not sure yet. Address change notice. Apparently Brother changed their address. They moved. Huh. Alright. Register your product and get $1,000. We got product registration again. I have no clue what this is. Instructions. Alright, whatever. Alright. Let's keep going. Information. I don't think I need any of this. And this can go in the trash. I missed. Oh well. Alright, let's keep going. Alright. So here we have our standard address label. What size did it say it came with? It comes with two things. And these are die cut address labels, and then these are like just those labels you see all over the place, those paper ones, I don't know. And then these are, I think, 2.4 inches. We'll verify that real quick. The carton contents, the printer, the software and drivers, cable, power cord, setup guide, and the starter rolls. It comes with DK 1201 die cut standard address labels. So these are standard address labels. There's 100 of them here. And then 2.4 inch continuous length paper tape, 26.2 feet. So that is what this is. So we'll keep going. Things we need up there. Alright, the standard printer cable here. This is your power cable. I'm going to guess the only thing left thing left is the printer. Here it is. Nice. Alright. Almost dropped it. And ridiculous packaging. Huh. That's dumb. Alright. Let's throw that over there. Alright. Comes with seals and stuff. Throw that over there and miss the garbage can again. Comes in a plastic wrap. That's kind of weird. This plastic wrap. Try to get all this off. I hate this stuff. Alright. It looks pretty nice. I read some reviews online about it, and it really wasn't, there wasn't really anything bad about it. I mean, it said it does the job very well for the price and whatnot. I mean, it's a cheap label printer, thermal label printer, and it does the job. And it's Energy Star approved, apparently. I don't really know if many of us care about that, but oh well. So you can do continuous length, really whatever. So check out my next video, and this will be about setting it up, and we'll do a test run. So comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Alright, hey guys, it's Fisk1. I'm going to be, this is a new account I'm making, and this is going to be my first video here. It's going to be an unboxing of this, new Brother QL700, thermal label printer. Unboxing. Alright, so I just got this at Staples for, 50% off. Normally priced at $100, but it's $50 today